Clue Mystery Trip Season 4 Day 1!
Coming myself again today,
Okay, guys. So
and I don't know when I'll ever feel okay.
next.
Hiding the truth again today, 'cause the silence is safer than what I have to say.
Hi guys! Andito tayo ngayon sa airport and actually hindi ko alam kung saan pupunta kasi this time we are part of Klook Mystery Trip. Ayan, so nakakatuwa kasi parang few days ago nakareceive ako ng notification doon sa kasama ko na we will be taking part of Klook Mystery Trip. So just to give you a brief background, parang yearly na to. This is actually the season 4 already. So parang yearly they're inviting Klook creators to join Mystery Trip. Basically yung creators hindi nila alam kung saan pupunta. And then they will be meeting at the airport and then yun, may mga challenges along the way. But anyway, yung season 1 kasi is I think El Nido and Coron. Season 2 is Boracay. And season 3 last year was Bacolod and Dumaguete. So ngayon, hindi ko alam kung saan pupunta. Pero ang naiisip ko is kasi beach destination din. Basically, ang sinabi lang sa amin is magdala kami ng mga swimwears, mga ganyan, beach outfits. So definitely it's a beach destination na local naman daw. So hindi kailangan ng passport. So ang guess ko is siguro Siquijor or Bohol. So ayun, if may guess kayo, comment down below. Hindi ko muna ilalagay doon sa title para ma-surprise tayo lahat kung saan pupunta. So, this time, parang we are group by pair. So, by pair yung labanan. Kasama ko si Neil, inaantay ko pa sila. Nandito na ata yung iba pero hindi ko alam kung nasan sila. So, kasi nung mga previous years is by team siya. Like, team of 4 to 5 creators. Pero now is by pair siya. So, there will be 5 pairs. And then, yun, kasama ko si Neil or si Ichi Neil San Klook or Ichi Klook. Ayan. So, dito kami sa Naiya Terminal 2 magmi-meet. Currently, it's 11:55. Yung meeting time namin is 12:10. So, andito na yung iba. Hanapin ko na lang sila mamaya. So, ayun. Nag-decide ako mag-vlog. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ko may edit. Pero, hopefully, ma-edit ko kaagad. Kung napapanood nyo to, of course, na-edit na. Ayun. So, sana ma-edit natin and then para ma-upload din natin kaagad. Ay, parang nakita ko na yung ibang kasama namin. Although kilala ko yung iba kasi yung iba is ibang Klook creator din. Pero yung mga ibang pairs like sina CJ and Rhea, kasama ko sa K-Creator, sa KTO, and then Ichi. Tapos yung iba ay sikat na vloggers. So makikita nyo mamaya kung sino yung mga kasama natin. Ayan, hanapin ko muna sila. Hi!
Hello, this is Benford. This is Vivian.
Okay. Sino CJ ulit? Si Rhea.
Sino kumain?
Kian!
Ay, nag-ano kami.
And Ichi.
Pag-iyan kami.
Okay, guys. This is Klook Mystery Trip Season 4. And here are your tickets. So
Okay.
before we
Ah, may
open it
tickets.
together, to reveal the destination. Okay, at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. You are going to...
Yan guys, so nag-reveal na tayo ng destination and we're going to Bohol. Ayan, so hindi ko alam mo pang ilang beses ko na. Pangatlong beses na natin dito sa Bohol and we're so excited. Ayan, mag-check-in na tayo. Ayan, we're here. Dito na tayo sa Bohol. Welcome to Bohol. Will be the partners, the pairing for this mystery trip. And yun, nag-prepare kami for this one. Parang 1 month kaming nag-train, ganyan.
Yes. Alam mo, grabe, nagpapayat talaga ako at buti na kahit 5 kilo minawala.
Naglakad-lakad yan, daily steps, 10,000 para ano, baka may...
Tayo pagod dito kasi hindi ko mapapagod tayo dito eh.
Oo, baka may challenge na takbuhan, ganyan. So, laban tayo. Kahit na mga bagets yung mga kasama namin. Laban kami. Okay, see you mamaya sa hotel natin. Hindi din namin alam kung saan kami mag-stay. Pero basta sabi is 4-star daw. So sana sa Alona Beach para at least may beach view tayo. Yun lang. Here na sa Bohol.
All the anger and the fear I can't contain. If I'm not right by your side, I swear I'm easy to replace. So I'll make an ending out of
Yes. Ano, okay lang. So here's our service to our hotel. Go CJ! Parang pang 10 days yung dala mo kasi. Let's go! Ay, ayan, good morning guys. It's day 2 for our mystery trip and today mag-start yung official challenges and tours natin. So, andito tayo ngayon sa Solea and so we're having our breakfast. And so, nagbe-breakfast tayo. Tapos, for today, orient ko lang kayo yung activities natin today. So, for today ay magkakaroon tayo ng Hidden Waterfalls Tour. So, dito yan sa may Bohol. Tinignan namin, may 3 kaming falls na pupuntahan. So, parang may kasamang hiking. May, hindi naman super hike, pero parang may trek na kasama. It's 3 waterfalls yun. So, the tour starts at 8 o'clock and then it ends at 6 o'clock. So, medyo mahaba siya kasi nga may mga lakad na kasama. So, currently, it's 6 o'clock. So, breakfast muna tayo. Ang mga nauna dito sa breakfast yung mga millennials, mga matatanda. Charot. So, ayun. Mag-room tour tayo ng hotel later on. Hindi pa kasi ako naka-room tour. Pero meron akong room tour for TikTok. Tignan nyo na lang kung interested kayo dito sa Solea Garden Resort. Ganyan. Tapos, dito pala is hindi siya sa Alona Beach. Dito siya sa may Danau Beach. So, parang kabilang side ng Alona Beach. Not exactly doon sa may parang touristy area. So, medyo mas, medyo mas liblib siya. Ayan. So, ayan. Kain na tayo. This is our breakfast. Ayan. It's our breakfast. Ayan, nagma-makeup pa, Mr. and Miss Club 2026. Iba pala yung sinalihan.
Kami yung
Handler.
Yung handler.
Mga handler. Mga kontesera. Ayan.
Lalaban.
Ayan, tara na.
Hindi pala mystery trip to. Pageant pala yung sinalihan namin. Hindi pa talaga siya tapos.
Kaya kapag pagod ka na, pwede rin ako mag-drive. Maganda to kaya serum.
Pa. Lahat kami nalagyan na.
Diba? Kaya free serum. Sudli pa isa ba? Kuwang isa.
Guys, it's the official day 1 of our Klook Mystery Trip and today we're doing the Hidden Waterfalls tour dito sa Bohol. So, you can book this through Klook and ilagay ko na lang yung exact tour dito. So, our tour provider is Abraham Bohol. So, if you're looking for hotels and hostels or rooms or properties, you can also book this on Klook. Ayan. So, they're our tour provider. Ayan, wait lang. Haba pala. So, dito na tayo sa...
Falls to summit.
okay. Damagan Falls. So, yun yung first na destination natin, Damagan Falls. So, may may lakad na 15 minutes. 15 minutes walk daw pababa. Okay.
So many things that you wanted to say. No, it don't
Ayun,
come
medyo malaki dito.
easily. You know deep down there's so many things. You live and hope that tomorrow brings. Let it roll in and out. Let it roll.
So, andito na tayo. Papunta na tayo sa first destination natin for today. It's Damagan Falls. So, from the jump-off point, may lakad pababa na around 15 minutes daw. Pero tignan natin kung totoong 15 minutes. And then, and of course, pagbalik, dito din yung daan mamaya. So, prepare na lang din sa hike pabalik dun sa jump-off point. And along the way, makikita nyo to. Ang linis ng irrigation canal nila. Ayan. And then, parang may mini rice terraces din sila dito.
Don't make it hard, no resistance.
So, makikita nyo, dalawang falls pala dito. We have Damagan Falls and Ipo Falls. Yung Ipo Falls, closed siya pag extreme weather conditions. Kasi, dito ba yung daan papuntang Ipo? Okay, ayan. Medyo mas adventurous yung daan dito. Pero ito is for Damagan Falls doon. Nandito na tayo sa first destination natin. This is Damagan Falls. And then, ayun, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya, mga fish dyan. Dyan daw na-derive yung name na Damagan Falls kasi may mga Damagan fish. And so, freshwater fish. And then, dito lang sila sa may, sa may waterfalls. Ayun, so, parang mukhang mababa lang siya. Pero, meron daw cliff diving doon banda. Parang may cliff diving or swing ba? Tapos, ayan, may mga balsa. Ayan. Tapos this is the waterfalls. And so, magandang pumunta dito kasi konti lang yung tourist na pumupunta. So, it's like a hidden gem talaga. Ayan, if you want a more solitude or a more peaceful adventure here in Bohol, you can consider this one, Damagan Falls. Ayan. And so, nag-reshoot ako and andito ako ngayon sa taas ng bato kasi mas maganda daw yung view dito, sabi nung tour guide natin. So, oh!
Okay, guys, so welcome to the Club Mystery Trip. Okay, so now we'll be doing our first challenge. So we hit around 19 eggs around this area. So from here all the way back there, also up the stairs, and just a little bit down here. So we're gonna give you 3 minutes. The duo that finds the most number of eggs within that time gets 1 point. So how it works is, again, there's first place, second place, third place. But there's this one egg that has a rock inside. If you find that egg, that has 2 points already. Okay, on your mark. Again, please be careful, it's slippery. On your mark, get set, go! Okay, full running, no running, no running, no running, it's not
Okay. Meron pa ba? Parang wala na. Okay. Meron pa kaya? Parang wala na. Egg hunt.
One minute and 30 seconds. Please be careful. Please watch your step. Okay, 20 seconds. Okay, Team Neil and Team Denver. How many eggs do you have?
got five.
You have 5. Okay, let's open it one by one to see if we got the rock. Okay.
Is this the rock?
Oh my God! Okay, okay.
Wait lang.
Okay lang yan. Hindi naman nila kukunin.
Doon tayo, Sid.
Gusto mo?
Ayun, kaya
Sige.
ko yun.
Oh!
Kuya Denver, doon tayo, ah. Tara, kaya doon. Ay, sobrang cute.
Okay, so andito na tayo sa second destination natin. This is the Twin Falls and medyo mas malayo yung hike dito compared dun sa kanina. So you have two options. Pwedeng maglakad and pwedeng magmotor. Pero for us, medyo madami kami and may 6 available na motor lang. So may mga maglalakad and then may mga magmamotor. Let's see.
Motor na lang po na. Okay.
Okay, let's go! Okay, so dito sa second location, may dalawang option kanina. Pwede kang maglakad for like 30 minutes kasi medyo malayo din eh. Or pwedeng motor for 5 minutes pero may bayad na 200 pesos. Back and forth na yun. Then yung mga drivers ng motor, sila din yung mag-guide sa inyo pababa dun sa waterfalls. Kasi from dun sa jump off point, may lakad pa. Pero okay naman yung daan. Like sementado naman siya. So I think okay din kahit na maulan. Ayan, so 500 steps ito, sabi, around 500 steps. Pero as you can see, medyo mas steep siya. So chill lang pababa, pero mamaya expect na hingal ulit yung paakyat natin. Ayan, so let's go, let's go.
May willing magbuhat dito.
Ay, ako na po.
Ito. Bubuhay daw, bubuhay pala.
Get set, go! Go guys! Go guys! You can do this! Let's do this! Just first place! Wait, let me check. Okay, we have first place. Ayan, ayan. Third place na lang. Dito. Third place. Third place. Okay, stop. We have our winners
And so hindi pala namin na-update kanina. We won ulit yung second challenge natin. So as you can see naman sa video, yung second challenge ay bubuo ng puzzle tapos gagawin niyo yung pose. So it was a close fight between us and Team Ogad. Pero nanalo ka. Ilang points yan?
3 points. We're
So,
first place.
3 points ulit yan. So ayun, second challenge.
So we won 3 points plus 2 points kanina. Tapos 3
plus
points ngayon. So we already at 8
8 points. Ayun. So, andito tayo ngayon sa Lobok River Cruise and for our third challenge na. So, sana manalo ulit tayo.
Yes.
all,
Oo,
three
kasi
challenges
parang
like
hindi
day
namin,
one.
or at least haya-haya na kami sa next challenge.
ayan.
Pero syempre, hindi tayo patok na. We need still to be,
Ayan.
boom, boom, boom.
May nakikinig na
Ay, may spy.
may spy.
Ah.
Okay. Update ulit namin kayo mamaya.
Go, Denver, go. Diretso. Diretso lang. Go, yan, straight lang. Straight lang. Kaya yan, straight lang tayo. Left, ay right. Kanan, nag-left tayo. So, kanan. Umiikot tayo. So, we have to, dito yung sagwan, ano mo,
Saan tayo?
sa left. Pa-right tayo pupunta.
Okay.
Pa-right pupunta, pa-right. So, yeah, i-move mo yan. And pa-right. Sige lang, ikot na tayo. Sige lang, itatama tayo sa isang boat, pero carry lang. Right pa. Okay, go. Diretso lang to. Game. Diretso lang. Okay, left onte. Go to the left. Sige pa, left pa. Sige lang. Yan, sige, tas straight. Go.
Diretso?
Oo, diretso lang. Right. Diretso right ha. Pero move ka pa din pero mag-right ka lang. Right. Go to the right. Right. So i-ano mo lang, isagawa mo siya pa right lahat, all the way to the right. Ayan. Okay, good. Okay, good. Then straight na. Straight. Ayan, good. Straight lang tayo. Straight lang. Straight pero nag-left na onte. Ayan, good. Straight lang. Sige, straight lang. Ayan. Malapit na tayo, Denver. We are very near. So straight lang. Tapos right ng onte. Right na tayo ng onte. Right na. Right. Nag-left tayo. Sige. Ayun na. Oh my God. Sige lang. Yan. Go. Straight lang. Denver, wag kang maglilihis ha. Straight lang. Ayan na. Kuya, hold my hand. Darling, hold my hand. Nothing Vista Jet to Holiday. Denver Neil.
Okay.
Denver Neil. Okay, let's go back na. Pwede na magtanggal. Oh my God. I think
2, 3, go!
Club Mystery Trip Season 4 Day 1!
So, we're done with the challenge, pero we don't know our ranking kasi we did it by batch. Yung first batch is tatlong teams. And then yung second batch is 2 teams. Pero sa first batch, second kami. And then yung second batch is, ayan. So, depending on the time, di natin alam kung anong current standing natin. Pero ayan. Tinulak.
Thank you po, Kuya Aga.
And, okay, yun lang. Wala akong masabi. Thank you so much.
Go! Pose! Next!
On our way to the snorkeling site and then sa Virgin Islands. So, una muna tayo sa snorkeling site. Parang 1 hour daw kami doon and then we'll go to the Virgin Island right before sunset. Ayun, so here.
yung susunod. Oh my God. Get set, go! Go Team Jensies!
Ayan. Oy, doon. Mag-picture na kayo doon.
Landscape.
Ay,
What I see in you is so hard to find. It makes me feel alive, feel alive. Feel alive, feel alive, feel alive. You make me feel it's adventure time. Couldn't get you out of my mind even if I tried. Out of my mind.
Denver, say hi here!
I know it's strange, decisions I made, but with you I feel safe. You never left my side, with me every night. Choices are never black and white. Show me more than what I can see every time. What I see in you is so hard to find. It makes me feel alive, feel alive. Feel alive, feel alive, feel alive. You make me feel it's adventure time. Couldn't get you out of my mind even if I tried. Out of my mind, out of my mind. Oh, when I'm lost with you I just go. No need to follow the road. You keep me on my soul, just fly when the wind blows, wind blows. You make me feel it's adventure time. Couldn't get you out of my mind even if I tried. My troubling trouble to express emotions. I'm fumbling, juggling, looking for my focus. I'm lost in the element. I can't see that this all had an effect in me. L-I-F-E, I'm trying to give the best of me, but the future looking hard to foresee. Then it all goes back to you. I still remember the days when all I had was you. What I see in you is so hard to find. It makes me feel alive, feel alive. Feel alive, feel alive, feel alive. You make me feel it's adventure time. Couldn't get you out of my mind even if I tried. Out of my mind, out of my mind. Oh, when I'm lost with you I just go. No need to follow the road. You keep me on my soul, just fly when the wind blows, wind blows. You make me feel it's adventure time. Couldn't get you out of my mind even if I tried.